Hello everyone. I'm now going to show you how you get the staff application running on your PC or Mac. So when you first sign up for DocSafe, we set you up with a primary admin user. That person has the rights to create other users up to a maximum license numbers. Each of the staff at your company will need to download the app so they can securely access DocSafe. Now, assuming that you've already been created as a staff member, you will already be given three pieces of information: your firm's account ID, an email address, which obviously is your own email address, and an initial password. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the DocSafe website, and from there you'll be allowed to download the DocSafe app, whichever version is appropriate for you. So on the screen here you'll see the DocSafe website, which is doc-safe.co.uk, and we'll scroll down to a section called Updates. This section displays lots and lots of different versions of our app. Starting from the top left, most people running a PC will need to download this version of the app, which is the 64-bit Windows version. If you're using an older PC, unlikely, but if you're still using an older PC and that doesn't work, delete it and replace it with the 32-bit version. So these are simply click and download and it'll install on your machine. Over here, if you're using a Mac, obviously do exactly the same and run through the routines for setting up your Mac. On the screen, you'll also see a debug version. We'll use this in the future if there's any problems that you're having. And for those firms and those people who are using older versions of DocSafes, we are supporting DocServer 1 and DocServer 2, but they haven't been used for some time now. So most people will be using the Windows OS 64-bit or 32-bit. If you are so inclined, we always recommend that you use the app, but there is a desktop version which runs out of a browser, so you can have a play with that as well. For completeness, you'll also see two final boxes. These will just take you to other areas of our website, which will allow you to add DocSafe, give you the code to add DocSafe to your website, or if you're a specific payroll client of ours using our specialist payroll module, then you'll need to use this button here. So once you've installed the DocSafe app on your PC, you'll see the following screen appear when you click the app. This will appear once you've clicked the little blue icon, which will now be in your system tray on your PC. So this is the opening screen, and I'm going to run you through the details you need to put in to be able to log in for the very first time. Now at the top here, you'll be asked to put in 4 pieces of information. It's very important that you get the server details correct. And you'll see on the screen here, it says https://www.docserver3.co.uk. It's very important that you type exactly that in. Put in your firm's account ID, which is the same for every member of staff. Put in your unique email address and password, the initial password, and then click Remember Me. By clicking Remember Me, once you've been through this routine, you won't have to do it again. It'll remember all your login details for future reference. What's going to happen is the very first password you're given is a one-time use only. So you'll be asked to update that. And once you've done that, you'll be into DocSafe. Thank you very much for listening today.